Alright, welcome back. So, I've been going on about putting this engine in for quite a few episodes. So, I think I've got everything done on it, all ready for it. So, it's going in. I will just show you, just give you a recap of what I've done with the engine. And then I'll just put it on record, and there might be some comedy value in it. Maybe some swearing, who knows. Let's see how it goes. Right, so when I took the engine out, obviously it's a Swiftune engine that was rebuilt. When I took it out, there were bits I didn't like on it. So basically what I've done, I have blasted the whole block and gearbox, and then I've repainted everything bar the gearbox in black, satin, matte black. I've taken all these bits off and given them a coat as well, so they're all looking fresh. Head's been done, that is. All the breathers have all been done. I've taken the tappet chests off and resealed them, painted them and resealed them back on. And so I've got a new radiator because the old one was a bit grubby. It's got a few dents in it. And I already had so I've got the old frame under there. I already had one that I had powder coated, which obviously that is on. I've had to change the fan blade because I've got, through storage, I've damaged it, and I did think about cutting it off. They do work okay with cut blades on them, but I had a spare one in the tool store anyway. So yeah, it's what else have I done? So I've already put on the speedo cable, because for me that's a pain in the backside with my massive hands, and all the other bits I can get to once it's in. I did contemplate whether to take the fan, the radiator and cowling off and fit it after, but it came out with it on, so and things are a lot more difficult for me getting my hands in places, so I've just put it on and hopefully it won't be a struggle. So yeah, we're all ready in here. I'm just going to spray some Dynax cavity stuff, wax, just around this area here that you'll never see again because the engine will be there. Yeah, I think that's it, so let's go on with it.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay.
Honey hi campers!
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day.
Right, so that is the first time the engine's been in the car for 3 years. I literally took it out January 2021. So there we go. Was obviously a nightmare. A little bit of a scuff on that there. In hindsight, I shouldn't have put that in yet. But we're there. Yeah, I always struggle with the subframe, engine mount subframe bolts, lack of space, and so on. So next, I don't know, to be honest. Put some of the bits back in that I had to take out, the solenoid and so on. But that is great progress getting that in, and it's looking good.